We're Adam and Joanne from InspiredTaste.net, and welcome to our kitchen.
We are showing you how to make a simple Greek salad. Start with the freshest ingredients you can find. First up, we need some sliced cucumber. Use whatever variety of cucumber you have access to. If the skin is thick, consider peeling some or all of it away. Then we need tomatoes. You can use large or small tomatoes, just make sure they are ripe and flavorful. I like slicing them into bite-sized pieces. As always, the full recipe with ingredient amounts is on Inspired Taste. We also add onion. We use red or sweet onion. I slice them thinly and then deflame them. We've done this in plenty of our recipes before. Simply add them to water for 10 minutes, drain, and then rinse them. This simple process tones down the raw edge of the onion. Toss in a generous amount of olives. These are Kalamata olives and have the pits left in, but you can add pitted olives if you prefer. We still have a few more ingredients to add, but first we want to season everything in the bowl. Add salt, pepper, and oregano, then toss really well. Don't forget that the full recipe with ingredient amounts is on Inspired Taste. Set the seasoned salad aside for a few minutes and then move on to the feta. I buy feta in blocks, not crumbles, then I slice the block into big slabs. Finish the salad with red wine vinegar, quality olive oil, and of course, the feta cheese. We just tuck them into the salad. Serve the salad family style with some extra olive oil and oregano on the table. We always add a bit more olive oil and a sprinkle of oregano before digging in. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If you love this video, we have lots more. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and say hi on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. We're at Inspired Taste.